Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to back up the SMS and how to restore the SMS message on your Android mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to back up the SMS messages on the Android, you just use this application and you just download from Play Store called Super Backup and Restore these two application. This is the best application to back up the SMS. So I just using this while I just resetting my mobile phone or just transferring to the new mobile phone. This is the basic interface of this application. Click on this SMS application. There will be a lot of option. You will see a first option called backup all or backup the conversation, or there is a view backups like that, or you can delete backup and delete all messages like that. Click on this backup. So after clicking on the backup all, you will see this XML file, which actually click OK. Now it will be automatically where every SMS and messages on your mobile phone will be backup. So now it's completely backup. You can just also send to the Google Drive or send to others. And here you will see an option called restore. You can just click on the view backup option, which actually you can see it's stored on the SMS contact backup and SMS. There is a lot of options here, so it shows like that. And after backup, click on the restore option. Now you just click on the file that you just need to restore. It's automatically it will be restored to a complete file to your mobile phone. This is how it's work. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.